Woo! Man, welcome back to the channel. We got some of this white, I would say fluffy stuff, but it is far from that. It is right at freezing. It's like 32 degrees out here, and we've gotten about 7 inches of snow so far, and it's still snowing really hard. Forecasting a few more inches, and I want to get out here and get this driveway cleared off quick, just to help me, because you don't want to try moving 12 inches of snow at one time. It just simply isn't going to end well. So we're gonna get the tractor out here, get the blade on. We're gonna test out this new plastic edge, see how it works. We're gonna go ahead and get this concrete cleared off so we can drive up here without four-wheel drive. It's really pretty slippery. And see how this new plastic edge works out. This is the first time using it in the heavy snow. You guys saw it in the previous video above here where I tested it out the very first time. But let's get out here and let's move some snow. Let's get to it. let's go back out for round number 2. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why I put lights on here. Look at that. You can see forever. This time of year we don't get a whole lot of sunlight, so you gotta make your own sunlight. Well, guys and gals, that's going to do it for the snow removal for today. That's the worst snowfall we've gotten in over 12 years. Like 12 inches of really, really heavy, wet stuff. And I mean, it couldn't get much heavier. It was like 32 and 33 degrees when it was snowing. So significantly heavy snow. The Max did really well. I mean, it didn't run out of power, ran out of some traction. Would be nice to get some rim guard in these back tires for some added traction and weight. You know, it's kind of an extreme case. I mean, realistically, a rear blade probably isn't the most ideal for super deep snow. I did try to do it in 3 different increments, but like I said, we got over a foot. I don't know what the official mount is going to be, probably 14-ish inches. But when it's that heavy, this big 7-foot blade is a big lever behind the tractor and wants to try to slide the butt of it around. And I mean, what do you expect? It's really wet and packed snow underneath that's going to be slippery. It just doesn't give you any added traction. I could put chains on this, but again, this is the worst snow we've had in over 10 years, so it's not a normal occurrence. Overwhelmingly, the blade did work well. Turning it around did help get me through some of the heavier stuff to where we could, you know, get some traction and pull the blade along. Normally, if we get 4 or 5 inches of snow, or if it's light powdery stuff, this is not going to be a problem at all. The actual edge itself worked extremely well. I mean, I couldn't ask for more there. It's doing what I thought it would do. And, you know, I think the biggest piece is it does do a good job scraping. And obviously, once you wear that front bull edge down, it's going to help because it gives more of an edge to bite into it. But by tilting the blade so where I can get, you know, more of a grip on it, it does do a good job physically cutting the snow. Not as good as a steel edge, but, you know, what do you expect? It's a $35 piece of plastic wood. Overwhelmingly happy with how this is working out. Couldn't ask for more. Probably wouldn't have been able to do all the snow I had to do tonight had I not had this blade. This section here where I had to back down next to my shed, I could put this blade all the way over and just back down and push the snow out of the way. No problem at all as we're backing down. Hope you guys enjoyed today's footage. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and let me know what I can do to improve the channel here, because that's the idea, is I can learn some of this stuff the hard way so you guys don't have to, and help you guys make some educated decisions. This $35, $40 bolt-on plastic lumber is working great. At least for my house it is. Residential use, couldn't ask for more. It's super quiet, it's not wearing down, and you know, ultimately it's moving snow. Now the 7-foot blade in this heavy wet snow probably isn't really meant for it, but it got the job done, and you know, no complaints on that end. If you guys were all affected by this snowfall, hope you guys stay safe and warm. Get out there, get that snow out of the way, take care of one another. Take care. We'll see you guys on the next one.